Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be exploring how you can make money with YouTube by creating and selling ebooks and books. This is a fantastic way to monetize your channel and share your knowledge with your audience. Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Creating and selling ebooks and books is an excellent way to generate income from your YouTube channel. With the help of various AI tools, the process of creating and selling these digital products has become easier than ever. In this video, we'll go through the entire process, from choosing a topic to creating content and designing cover images. 1. Choosing a topic. Identify your expertise. The first step in creating an ebook or book is to identify your area of expertise. Think about what you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Your book should be on a topic that you can teach effectively and that your audience will find valuable. Research your audience. Understanding your audience is crucial to choosing the right topic. Conduct surveys or polls to find out what topics your viewers are interested in reading about. Look at the comments and questions they leave on your videos to get insights into their needs and preferences. Analyze the market. Before finalizing your book topic, analyze the market to see what other books are available on the subject. Check platforms like Amazon Kindle, Google Books, and Apple Books to see what books are popular and what gaps you can fill with your content. 2. Creating content. Outline your book. Start by outlining the structure of your book. Break it down into chapters or sections, each focusing on a specific aspect of the topic. This can be easily achieved by using AI content creators like ChatGPT. This will help you organize your content and ensure that you cover all necessary points. Use AI tools for content creation. There are several AI tools available that can assist you in creating content for your book. Tools like ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, write chapters, and even edit your content. You can input your outline and let the AI help you flesh out the details. Editing and proofreading. Once you have your content written, it's important to edit and proofread it thoroughly. AI tools like Grammarly can help you check for grammar and spelling errors. You can also use Pro Writing Aid for more in-depth editing assistance. 3. Designing cover images. Importance of a good cover. A well-designed cover is crucial for attracting potential readers. Your cover should be eye-catching and relevant to the content of your book. It's often the first thing people see, so make sure it makes a good impression. Use AI tools for design. AI tools like Canva can help you create professional-looking cover images. Canva offers a variety of templates and design elements that you can customize to fit your book's theme. Another great tool is Designer, spelled DESGNR, which is specifically designed for creating ebooks. Designer for ebook creation. Designer is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of creating ebooks. It offers templates, design elements, and an easy-to-use interface. Using Designer can save you time and help you create a high-quality ebook. Check out the affiliate link in the description below. It doesn't cost you any extra, and you'd be helping the channel out to continue creating content like this. 4. Publishing your book. Choose a platform. There are several platforms where you can publish your book, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Google Books, and Apple Books. Each platform has its own features and pricing, so choose one that fits your needs and budget. Set up your book. Once you've chosen a platform, set up your book by uploading your manuscript, creating book details, and setting your pricing. Most platforms offer step-by-step guides to help you get started. Optimize your book page. Optimize your book page to attract potential readers. Use a compelling book title, write a detailed book description, and include high-quality images. Make sure to highlight the benefits of reading your book and what readers will learn. 5. Promoting your book on YouTube. Create promotional videos. Create promotional videos for your book and upload them to your YouTube channel. These videos should give an overview of your book, highlight the key benefits, and include a call to action to encourage viewers to purchase. Use YouTube ads. Consider using YouTube ads to promote your book to a wider audience. YouTube ads can be targeted based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, allowing you to reach potential readers who are most likely to be interested in your book. Leverage your existing content. Promote your book in your existing YouTube videos. Include links to your book in the video description, mention it in your videos, and use end screens and cards to direct viewers to your book page. 6. Engaging with your readers. Create a community. Create a community for your readers where they can interact with you and each other. This could be a private Facebook group, a forum, or a Slack channel. Engaging with your readers can help build a sense of community and encourage them to stay engaged with your content. Provide support. Offer support to your readers by answering their questions and providing feedback. Being responsive and helpful can improve their reading experience and increase the likelihood that they will recommend your book to others. Collect feedback. Ask your readers for feedback on your book. Use their input to improve your content and writing style. Positive reviews and testimonials can also be used to promote your book to new readers. 7. Continuously improving your book. Update your content. Keep your book content up to date by adding new information and removing outdated material. This ensures that your book remains relevant and valuable to your readers. Add new chapters. Consider adding new chapters or bonus content to your book over time. This can provide additional value to your readers and encourage them to stay engaged. Stay engaged with your audience. Continue to engage with your audience on YouTube and other social media platforms. Share updates about your book, answer questions, and provide valuable content. Staying connected with your audience can help you build a loyal following and attract new readers. Creating and selling eBooks and books on YouTube can be a lucrative way to monetize your channel and share your expertise with the world. By following these steps, you can create a high-quality book that provides real value to your readers and generates a steady stream of income. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.